Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows security if it won't open or it's not working on your Windows 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta find PowerShell. Okay, just right click on your start menu and click on Terminal Admin, just like so. That will be a pop-up. Just click on Yes. Now, in here, we have in the description below the PowerShell command, which you can go ahead and copy and then paste it in here. If you don't know how to paste, just press right click or Control V. Okay, and once that's done, just hit on enter. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, type down exit, hit on enter. Now you can go ahead and try Windows security right here and check if it helps. Now, if that doesn't work, on your search bar, find Windows security, just like so. Now, on the right panel, we have here app settings. Okay, so just click on it. Wait for it to load. Now I'm going to scroll all the way down and find Terminate, Repair, and Reset. So first up, click on Terminate. Wait a bit, and after that, click on Repair. Wait for the process to finish, and after that, go ahead and check Windows security and see if it works. If not, again, Terminate and then Reset. Reset. Wait a bit, and after that, go and find Windows security and check if it helps. Now, if that doesn't work, go and find your search bar once more. It's pretty helpful. Type down CMD or command prompt. Now, the right panel, click on Run as Administrator. So all you got to do is just type down sfc /scan. Now, hit on enter and just wait for the process to finish right here. It'll take some time. Okay. So your computer right here will just check if there are errors in your system files. And if there is, it will just automatically fix things for you. Okay, just basically wait for it to reach 100, and after that, restart the computer. And once done, you should be good to go. That is how you fix Windows security if it won't open on your Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.